Hi everyone, my name is Tolu Olajide, the founder of Book Marketing, and I'm here today to talk about something that is near and dear to my heart, using social media to grow your Gen X business. It's no secret that social media is a powerful tool for marketing and building relationships with your customers. But if you're part of the Gen X generation, you may not be quite sure how to make the most of it. I'm here to give you the insider tips and tricks you need to make social media work for you and your business. I'll show you how to build a strong online presence, create engaging content, and make meaningful connections with your target audience. So, if you're not already using social media to grow your business, now is the time to start. The benefits are endless. We'll start off by looking at social media and its importance. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives. From staying in touch with friends and family to connecting with like-minded individuals and communities, social media has made it easier than ever to stay connected. But social media isn't just about staying in touch with loved ones. It has also become an important tool for businesses to connect with their customers and reach new audiences. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or simply looking to stay connected with the world, social media has something to offer everyone. So, the next time you log on to your favorite social media platform, remember the important role it plays in our lives and the endless possibilities it offers for connection and communication. So, what are the benefits of leveraging social media? As a business owner, it's important to stay ahead of the curve and find new ways to connect with your customers and grow your business. One way to do this is by leveraging social media. With over 3.6 billion people using social media worldwide, it's an invaluable tool for businesses looking to reach new audiences and connect with potential customers. But the benefits of social media go beyond just reaching new customers. It's also a great way to build brand awareness and engage with your current customers. By regularly posting updates and engaging with your followers, you can build a strong online presence and strengthen relationship with your customers. And with the wealth of data and insights available through social media analytics, you can gain valuable insights into your customers' interests and behaviors, helping you make informed decisions about your marketing and business strategies. So, if you're not already using social media to grow your business, now is the time to start. The benefits are endless. Now, what are the strategies you can use to grow your business? First, it's important to choose the right social media platforms for your business. Consider where your target audience spends their time online and start building a presence there. Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are all popular options for businesses, but there may be niche platforms that make more sense for your specific industry, like TikTok, for example. Next is to engage with your audience and build relationships. As a business owner or social media user, it's important to remember that social media is all about engagement. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with customers, partners, and other industry professionals. By building relationships on these platforms, you can increase brand awareness, generate leads, and establish your business as a thought leader in your industry. By actively interacting with your followers and building a relationship with them, you can create a strong online presence and keep them coming back for more. So, how can you engage with your audience and build strong business relationships on social media? First, it's important to be authentic and transparent in your interactions. Show your personality and let your values shine through in your content and conversations. Next, make an effort to engage with your audience and build a community. respond to comments and messages, and actively seek out opportunities to collaborate and network with others in your industry. This shows that you value their feedback and are interested in building a relationship with them. It also helps to create a sense of community around your business and can lead to word-of-mouth marketing. Another way to engage with your audience is by posting updates that are relevant and interesting to them. Whether it's sharing updates about your business, industry news, or simply sharing a funny joke, the key is to keep your content fresh and interesting. Posting regularly will keep your audience coming back for more and help to build trust and credibility for your brand. By actively engaging with your audience on social media, you can build a strong online presence and create a lasting relationship with your followers. It's also a good idea to use social media to showcase your expertise and thought leadership. Share valuable content, participate in industry discussions, and offer insights and solutions to problems your audience may be facing. And don't forget to track your performance using social media analytics. This will help you understand what's working and what you can improve upon. By following these tips, you can effectively build business relationships on social media and drive success for your brand. Building relationships on social media takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. Start connecting with your audience and industry professionals today to take your business to the next level. Utilizing influencers and professionals is another great strategy. Social media is an increasingly important platform for businesses to connect with customers and promote their products and services. One way to effectively utilize social media is by partnering with influencers and professionals who have a strong following and can help promote your brand. Influencers are individuals who have a large and engaged following on social media and are able to influence the purchasing decisions of their followers. By collaborating with influencers, you can tap into their audience and reach a wider market. Professionals such as industry experts and thought leaders can also bring value to your social media presence. By sharing their knowledge and expertise, you can establish your brand as a trusted source of information and demonstrate your industry leadership. To effectively utilize influencers and professionals, it's important to do your research and carefully select individuals who align with your brand values and target audience. Collaborating with the right influencers and professionals can help you build credibility and increase brand awareness on social media. Don't forget to use hashtags to reach a wider audience and make it easier for users to find your content. Use relevant hashtags for your industry and consider creating a branded hashtag for your business. Finally, consider running paid social media ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your website. This can be a cost-effective way to reach new customers and increase your online visibility. Now, you may be wondering how to manage your social media presence with all you've got going. One great way to manage your time is by scheduling posts. As a business owner, it can be challenging to keep up with the demands of social media while also running your business. That's where scheduled posts come in. Scheduled posts allow you to plan and schedule your social media content in advance, so you can ensure a consistent presence on these platforms without having to spend hours every day posting updates. There are a few key benefits to scheduling your social media posts. First, it helps you plan and organize your content so you can ensure that you're sharing a variety of types of posts, such as promotional content, educational content, and engaging updates. Second, it allows you to take advantage of optimal posting times so you can reach the largest audience possible. Finally, scheduling your post frees up time for you to focus on other important tasks, such as engaging with your audience and analyzing your social media performance. So, how do you get started with scheduled posts? Most social media platforms have native scheduling tools, or you can use a third-party scheduling tool like Hootsuite or Buffer. Simply create your content, select the date and time you want it to be posted, and your work is done. Scheduled posts are a valuable tool for businesses looking to maximize their social media presence without sacrificing time and resources. Start scheduling your posts today to take your social media strategy to the next level. Also, you need to constantly analyze your data. As a business owner, it's important to track and analyze the performance of your social media efforts. By analyzing key metrics, you can gain valuable insights into what's working and what's not, and make informed decisions about your social media strategy. So, what metrics should you be tracking? Some key metrics to pay attention to include your follower count, engagement rate, clicks, and conversions. Your follower count gives you an idea of the size of your audience, while engagement rate measures how well your content is resonating with your followers. Clicks and conversions can help you understand the effectiveness of your calls to action and how well your social media efforts are driving business goals. To track your metrics, you can use the built-in analytics tools provided by social media platforms or use a third-party tool like Google Analytics. By regularly analyzing your metrics, you can fine-tune your social media strategy, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately drive better results for your business. It is very important to remember that all your efforts will not yield the desired results if you fail to respond to your customers' inquiries. Social media is a powerful platform for businesses to connect with customers and address their concerns and inquiries. By promptly and effectively responding to customer inquiries on social media, you can build trust and loyalty with your audience. So, how can you provide top-notch customer service on social media? First, make sure you have a dedicated team or individual responsible for monitoring and responding to customer inquiries. You can also set up saved responses to frequently asked questions. Next, set clear guidelines for how inquiries should be handled, including response time expectations and the appropriate tone and language to use. It's also important to be proactive in addressing customer concerns. Regularly check for and respond to comments and reviews, and offer assistance even if a customer hasn't directly reached out to you. Finally, do not be afraid to go above and beyond to resolve customer issues. By showing that you care and are willing to put in extra effort to make things right, you can turn a negative customer experience into a positive one. Providing excellent customer service on social media is key to building trust and loyalty with your audience. By following these tips, you can effectively address customer inquiries and drive satisfaction for your business. So, a quick recap. It's important to choose the right social media platforms for your business. Consider where your target audience spends their time online and start building a presence there. Next, make sure you are consistently posting relevant and valuable content. Share updates about your products or services, industry news, and engaging graphics or videos. Posting regularly will keep your audience coming back for more and help to build trust and credibility for your brand. It's also a good idea to interact with your followers by responding to comments and messages, as well as engaging with other users on the platform. This helps to create a sense of community around your business and can lead to word-of-mouth marketing. Don't forget to use hashtags to reach a wider audience and make it easier for users to find your content. Use relevant hashtags for your industry and consider creating a branded hashtag for your business. Finally, Consider running paid social media ads to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your website. This can be a cost-effective way to reach new customers and increase your online visibility. By following these tips, you can effectively use social media to grow your Gen X business and reach new customers. So, go ahead and start building your online presence. Winning on social media requires you to show up consistently with a well thought out plan. If you don't have the time to do this, or you just want to save yourself the stress of doing this, click on the link below. We just might have the solution for you.